Welcome back to our channel Foodies. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Korean cuisine with one of its most iconic dishes, bibimbap. Let's get cooking. First up, let's start with the sauce. Mix 4 tablespoons of gochujang paste. You can find it in any local Asian store or just order it online. Add 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons soy sauce, 3 teaspoons white sugar, 1 finely grated garlic clove, 2.5 teaspoons sesame oil. Mix ingredients until sugar is dissolved. This sauce tastes amazing. That's the pure Korean flavor. Now it's time to cook the vegetables. Simmer to 150 grams of bean sprouts in water for 5 minutes until floppy. Drain under cold water, then cool. Squeeze out excess liquid with hands and place back in the bowl. Now mix with 1 teaspoon garlic, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon fish sauce, and half a teaspoon salt. Mix everything. Now it's time to prepare a spinach. Wash and cut nicely 1 bunch of the veg. 2 zucchinis, cut into thin batons. 2 large carrots, cut into thin batons as well. Now add the rinsed short grain rice to a pot with water. Follow the cooking instructions on your rice packaging. Add 2 teaspoons of oil into the skillet. Cook separately carrot and zucchini until just tender between 5 to 7 minutes. Then remove. Sauté spinach until starting to wilt. Add 1/2 teaspoon garlic and salt to taste. Marinate chicken fillets with 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons gochujang paste, 2 minced cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix up everything well and leave to marinate for at least 30 minutes or leave in the fridge overnight. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium heat and add the chicken. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes until cooked, then remove from skillet. Now that our protein is cooked to perfection, let's assemble our bibimbap. Start by placing a generous serving of rice in a bowl. Then, arrange your cooked vegetables and protein on top in a colorful, eye-catching display. Fry an egg in a skillet to your taste. I like mine with runny yolks and place in the middle of the bowl. Sprinkle some freshly roasted sesame seeds on top. Once your bowl is looking like a work of art, it's time to add the final touch, the bibimbap sauce. This savory mixture of gochujang sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a hint of sweetness is what gives bibimbap its signature flavor. And there you have it, a beautiful bowl of bibimbap ready to be enjoyed. This is absolutely delicious. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes from around the globe. Until next time, happy cooking!